Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing and launching the Blur app, then grant camera and storage access so it can read and save images. Once open, tap Import or the plus icon and pick your photo from Files or Camera Roll. Make sure you select an image with a clear subject or a depth map. This helps automatic masking. After import, pause to confirm orientation and crop roughly. This saves time later, then move on to the Blur tool in the toolbar. Now you fine-tune the blur. First, choose the blur type, Gaussian for even softening, radial for vignettes, linear for horizons, or portrait for depth-based separation. Once chosen, slide the radius or strength control to dial intensity and watch the preview. Then paint a mask with the brush to protect the subject. Make sure to switch between add and erase modes. Use feather to soften transitions and opacity to mix sharp and blurred areas so the result looks natural. Finish by inspecting the image at full size because small artifacts hide when zoomed out. Once satisfied, export as JPEG or PNG and keep the original resolution. You can also save a project copy if you want to edit later. If something went wrong, use history or undo to step back and make a duplicate before retrying. Troubleshooting tip: if edges appear harsh, decrease blur radius slightly and increase feather. Then refine the mask with a smaller brush for cleaner blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.